अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, सो हियर आई एम रिपीटिंग. जी स्टार्टिंग से हमने किससे किया? प्री ऑर्डर से किया. सो फर्स्ट नोड कौन होता है? हमेशा रूट नोड इन प्री ऑर्डर. That's why G is a root node. We are going to find out the position of G in given in order, and we know that in order में root node middle होता है. So G will be here, and all the remaining parts from left side will place on the left side of the G, and right side will placed on the right side of the G. Okay. Now the step 2 will repeat the same procedure for each sub branch. Okay. Now again we'll start. G is a root node, so we focus on this all part only, that is left side of G. Okay, so now again we think of G. B कहाँ पे मिला हमें? B pointing to the second position of tree, so it is a root we found. Okay, B मिल गया. अभी B again we have to check the concept of in order. अभी B के लेफ्ट में कौन है? Q. तो Q कहाँ गया? उसका लेफ्ट साइड. एंड व्हाट अबाउट K, C, F है? These are pointing to the right side of that node. Okay, now again we have to find out the position of KCFA. Okay, इसमें फाइंड आउट करेंगे हम लोग KCFA. KCFA वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट इन प्री ऑर्डर. सो प्री ऑर्डर में ये सीक्वेंस जो भी है KCFA, इसके अकॉर्डिंगली इन ऑर्डर में कौन आ रहा है? पहला A. इसका मतलब है हमारा रूट नोड कौन बना अभी? A. ओके, सो अगेन आई एम इलैबोरेटिंग हियर. A विल बी द रूट नोड. ओके फाइन, यहाँ पे हमें चला A रूट नोड है, बट अभी हमें इन ऑर्डर में फाइंड आउट करना है A कहाँ पे है? A pointing to here. तो सीक्वेंस कैसे बनेगा? A pointing to here means again we'll elaborate this tree. Okay, that is G is here, then our B pointing to here. Okay, here Q as it is. This one by one step we are going to follow. Okay, so now A will be our root node that we decide, but just concentrate here. KCFA. So what is the concept of KCF? अगेन चेक इन ऑर्डर. ए कहाँ पे है? उसके पहले KCF नोड है. इसका मतलब है वो सारे क्या है? These all are the left child of A, so it will place to the KCF. I hope everyone agree with this. Fine everyone. Now you can construct a tree accordingly. Okay, so again KCF, you can find out the position of KCF in where we are going to place. It is pre-order. Pre-order में check करेंगे who is the root node here? KCF. So C is come after A. Okay, C कहाँ पे आ रहा है? A के बाद आ रहा है. इसका मतलब क्या है कि C ये tree का root node है. Again I am drawing this tree here. Everyone can understand. So again I am drawing here same thing. I am just exploring this part here. So कैसे आएगा? A के बाद A का कौन चाइल्ड है? KCF. तो हमें ये पता चला इन ऑर्डर से कि C is a root node. That's why we are writing C is what? Root node of that tree. And check the position of K and F. K and F in given in order. So yes, C placed in between K and F is a K is the left side of that in order, and F is the right side. That's why we are elaborating this tree likewise. K is here and F is here. So according to that, we have finished whole left part of that tree. So I'm drawing whole the tree again so that you can understand हम कहाँ पे थे. This is the G, is the root node. G से हमें ये पता, B पता चला, B is a child of that A. Again the Q is what? Left child of B. Again we have found that A is a root node. Again A is having child of left side, that is C, and C is having two child, that is K and F. So likewise we have constructed the tree for left side only. So similarly you have to draw for right side also, because we have finished only left side, so we have to focus on right side also. So I hope everyone clear now. Yes, left side we have completed, you have to focus on right side. So in right side, what are the elements are remaining? That is P, E, D, H and R. Okay, so I'm showing this concept here again so you can understand. That is P, E, D, H, R. These nodes are remaining. So again the story starts from whom? Pre-order. So pre-order में P कहाँ locate हो रहा है? P should be in KCF. Means what? P is a root node of our tree. So here just concentrate. I am elaborating this part. So I'm just directly writing here P is what? Root node. Now What is the position of D, E, H, R in given in order? So we are going to check it. P placed here. Okay, P का placed हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Means P के बाद D, E, D, H, R है. इसका मतलब है all are placed in which side? Right side. I hope everyone agree. G के बाद आ रहा है. Means this is visit and this is right side. That's why we have to draw this like this. P is here. After that, all remaining node, that is E, D, H, are placed to the right side. So I hope everyone clear now. Now you can easily draw the remaining tree here. Again, I'm identifying E, D, H, R. Who is the root node here? Can anybody give the answer here? Who is the root node in given E, D, H, R? Again, I'm showing the sequence here. Tell me which is the root node here in case of E, D, H, R. Yes, E, D, H, R. Who is the root node?
D.
Yes, please clap
D.
for her, everyone. Everyone should clap here. Very good. That is D is what your root node. So according to that, you have drawn here. That is D will be the root node. So I'm continuing this part. Then finally, we have to draw this part here. Fine, everyone. But we have to finding out the position of D in given in order. So position of D here. So just concentrate. D कहाँ पे प्लेस हो गया? दिस वन. सो उसके पहले कौन है? ई. मींस ई कहाँ जाएगा? उसके लेफ्ट साइड में. एंड एच आर विल बी द राइट साइड. सो लाइकवाइज वी हैव टू ड्रॉ द ट्री हियर. सो आई होप एवरीवन एग्री विथ दिस. सो डी इज हियर. Then after that, who is the left child of D? That is E. And again, HR is right child of that. So I hope everyone clear now. Now you can identify H and R here. Okay. So again, we have to check the position of H in order. So it is a HR. HR की इसमें first कौन आता है? R. Means who is a root node here? Who is a root node? Yes, tell me. R
R.
is what? Yes. So after that, you can easily understand R is a root node. Now we are going to check the position of R in given pre-order. So it is in where? In last. So H will be the right child of that. Sorry, left child of that R. So likewise, we have to draw whole the tree now. So I hope everyone clear. We completely drawn left child of the tree as well as right subchild of that tree. So now we drawn last point, that is we have to draw whole the tree now. Okay, so we are going to generate whole the structure here. That is G will be the root node. Then the left child is the B. Again, B is having the left child, that is Q. And the B is having again left child, that is A. Again, A is having C is the left child of A. Then K and F is a left and right child of G. Then remaining R side is pending, that is P is a root node. Then D is a left child of P. Again, D is having only one left child. Fine. Then what is the H and R? R is a root node and H placed to the left side of that R. So according to this concept, okay, according to in order and pre-order traversal, you can draw the any traversal. So again, I'm showing here the pre-order and in order traversal. So these sequence you have given. What is the pre-order sequence and in order? Dear students, in MCQ also this type of questions asked.